Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video will be sponsored by CurlsQueen, and here's everything they sent over. We have this cute little pink pouch, and inside we have this detangler brush, which is definitely going to come in handy when styling these curls. We also have an adjustable and reversible silk bonnet. And listen, this is definitely a game changer. We all know how important it is to protect our hair at night, and the fact that this bonnet is adjustable means no slipping off in the middle of the night. Okay, we also have a thank you card, and they also included a pamphlet with all their social media handles in case you want to check out more of their products. Now let's get into the hair. So these are 22-inch water jerry curly clip-ins, and y'all look at these curls straight out the box. So soft, so bouncy. One thing I love is that these clip-ins come with double wefts, so you're getting a lot of volume without needing to add a ton of pieces. Before installing, I will be washing my clip-ins just to make sure they're fresh and ready to go. I'm using my Tresemme shampoo with lukewarm water to cleanse the hair, and I'm just pressing the hair down the palm of my hands to maintain the curl pattern. And let's not forget, you can dye these, you can style them and customize them to match your exact curl pattern. Clip-ins just give you that flexibility that other extensions don't. So now it's time for some conditioner. Y'all already know conditioner is key for curly textures because curls thrive on hydration. Also, all the details about this hair will be listed in the description box below, so make sure you guys go ahead and check that out. So this is what the hair is looking like after I have shampooed and conditioned the hair. I love the curl pattern. The hair is so full and thick. So now it's time to actually prep my natural hair. I will be going for a flip over method. So I'm leaving some hair out in the front for a natural blend. I'm not doing a braid down for this hairstyle. I just want it to be quick and efficient. So I'm keeping it simple with 4 big twists, and then I will be pinning them up. And actually, you don't have to do tight braids like you would, for a sew-in. This method is much more comfortable, and it's also way less tension on my scalp. So if you're someone who likes to switch up your styles often, this is perfect because you can take the clip-ins out at night like I did and give your hair a break. Also, if you have thicker hair or, even want a flatter base, you can do smaller braids or twists. But honestly, as long as your hair is laid down and secure, the clip-ins are going to blend perfectly. The key is just making sure you leave enough hair out in the front so it covers the wefts and looks natural. So now that my hair is twisted up, I'm just going to take some of my bobby pins and pin the back of it up. So now it's time to install these clip-ins. These are 22 inches, by the way, and these clip-ins came with 10 pieces in total, which is more than enough for a full head. It came with 2 5-clip wefts, 2 4-clip wefts, 2 3-clip wefts, and 4 of the 2-clip wefts. Okay, so I'm starting with the 2 of the 5-clip wefts at the bottom. And I'm just going to work from the bottom and work my way up so that everything lays flat. And I am leaving a bit of space in between each track because I wasn't sure if it was going to cover everything. But this hair has so much volume, so I already know it's going to blend perfectly. So here's the 2 5-clip wefts that I already installed, and it's already looking full. I love that they give you different weft sizes so you can really customize the install to fit your head shape and get that full natural look. So now I'm going in with my 2 4-clip wefts, and I'm just going to keep working my way up. One thing I will say is these clips feel really secure. Sometimes with clip-ins, you have to worry about them slipping throughout the day, but these are gripping my hair really well. And because the wefts are double drawn, you get a lot of thickness without needing too many tracks. So if you want that big, voluminous look, these are perfect. This install is so easy. You don't need any glue, thread, or extra styling tools. Just clip and go. If you're someone who wants a natural protective style that you can take out at night, then this is the perfect option. And I can already see how full and bouncy this hair is. So for the remainder of my hair, I'm going to go in with the last 2 clip wefts, and I'm just going to place that across the top of my head. Now it's time to define these curls. First I'm spraying the hair down with the water to rehydrate the curls, and then I'm using the Dew Mousse for some extra definition. This mousse is lightweight but really helps bring out the curl pattern without making the hair stiff. Also, I'll be going in with my detangler brush just to bring out the curls some more, and I'm just going to repeat the same steps throughout my hair. Now that all the clip-ins are installed, it's time to take down my leave out and blend everything together. I left some hair out in the front for this flip over method, and y'all, this is what makes the style look so natural. The key to a seamless blend is making sure your real hair and the clip-ins have a similar curl pattern and definition. So to make sure that my hair blends perfectly with these clip-ins, I'm just going to spray my hair down with some water first and try to bring my curls out. And then I'll be going in with Aunt Jackie's curling gel to blend my natural hair with the clip-ins. This gel is perfect because it gives a great hold without making the hair crunchy, and it really helps to define my natural curls so everything looks seamless. If y'all haven't tried this gel, I highly recommend it. So I'm just raking the product through with my fingers. If you ever feel like your leave out isn't blending how you want, you can also do a quick finger coil or twist out on your real hair to help shape the curls. But honestly, these clip-ins are already giving volume, bounce, and definition, so this process is super easy. And look at my curls, y'all. It's just blended together so perfectly. Okay, so now I'm just going to lay these edges real quick and then we're done. I'm just going in with some Eco Styling Gel just to make everything smooth and sleek. And here's the finished look. This hair blended so perfectly with my natural hair. I definitely want to try a braid out or a different style with this hair. Let me know in the comments if y'all want to see that. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.